Hello everyone, today we're going to take these skulls I ordered from HalloweenCostumes.com and make them into decorations that can sit on top of a banister post. This project will be easier to do than the Doctor Who astronaut skull we did last time. Now I thought I was getting skulls big enough to make into wearable masks, like this one from At Home. But due to a terrible miscalculation of scale, I ordered these smaller ones. My daughter suggested putting them on the banister posts, so it ended up a happy accident. Here are the tools needed. And here are the materials you'll need. I've put links in the description for some of the materials. Remove the jaw from the skull. Measure the width of the top of the banister and mark the bottom of the skull to match. Cut the marked area in a circle and remove the cutout piece. Use the dremel or power drill to drill the eye holes. Verify the LEDs fit snugly in the holes. If not, you can drill out the hole more until they do. Paint any scrapes near the eye holes with black paint and put the jaw back on the skull. Mark where you want the hole for the wires to the battery compartment, which will go on the back of the skull. Then drill the hole. This makes it easier to turn the lights on and off once the skulls are on the banister. If you prefer to have the battery compartment inside the skull, you can skip marking and drilling this hole. I recommend stripping all wires to be connected and applying solder to them to make soldering them together easier later. Feed the wires for the LED lights into the eye holes and glue them in place. Feed the battery wires into the hole in the back of the skull. If you don't want to solder, you can use wire nuts to secure the connections. If soldering, put shrink tubing on the wires first and then solder the connections. All red wires together and all black wires together. Slide the shrink tubing over the connections and use the heat gun to shrink them in place. Whether putting the battery compartment on the back or inside, use velcro to attach it. Optionally, you can secure the wires inside the skull with glue or electrical tape. Turn on the skulls and put them over the top of the banister posts. Then you're done.